Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like my video. I'm going to make a crib bumper for my baby. It's going to be a braided one, so I chose 4 colors for it, and I chose this fluffy fabric as well because it's stretchy and it is fluffy at the same time. I got it from Joann for $6.99 on sale. This is a really good fabric. I really love it. I got 1.64 yards of fabric from Joann, which is equal to 150 centimeters, and I'm going to cut them into 3 pieces now. The white should be 17 centimeters. I don't want it to be too fluffy. It will take the space for the baby, so 17 centimeters is more than enough. And then I'm going to join all these 3 pieces to give me the length I want. My baby's crib is a normal size crib, so you can use the same measuring to make another one for your baby. Once I'm done with cutting the fabric, I'm going to use the sewing machine and start sew the pieces together. So I'm going to sew 3 pieces of same color and attach them to each other, and then I'm going to sew it through the length. To do the fillings, I'm going to use wallpaper roll and a stick. Here I'm showing you a plastic roll as well. You can use anything, a kitchen roll, a paper towel roll, or anything you want. We just need 1 roll and a stick to insert the fillings into these fabrics that I had sewn. So I've used like 2 queen sizes pillows for the entire project. This project took like an entire day for me, especially the fillings, but I'm really happy with the result and I'm glad that I did it. Now that my baby sleeps in his crib, he's really comfortable and he loves it too. The braiding is very easy. You will just have to follow the rule and it's going to sit very well. So just follow the rules as I did it. Finally, when I put the bumper into the crib, I'm going to sew both of these parts with each other. I'm going to show it to you in the video. But then I realized that I have very beautiful pillows that I will put on the one part, like on the top part of the crib. So I don't need large crib bumper. I just need it for the 3 sides. So then I'm going to cut it and just use it for the 3 sides. I'm so glad that I did this project. My baby loves it. It just changed his crib look. If you like to do the same thing, please leave a comment below and share your ideas with me. Show me the pictures, send your pictures to me. I would love to see how it changed your baby's crib or your baby's room. These are very plushy, very comfortable, and they're very easy to use and really easy to wash. I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.